Welcome to IdeaTek. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. In this video, we're diving into the world of IdeaTek Internet services. All the details and links mentioned are down in the description below. This review covers the key features of IdeaTek's internet offerings based on my own user experience. We'll also explore who might find this provider the best fit for their needs. IdeaTek focuses on fiber optic internet, delivering high-speed, dependable connections. This makes it perfect for a variety of online activities, from casual browsing to demanding tasks like streaming in 4K and online gaming. Their plans begin at speeds of 100 megabits per second and go all the way up to a blazing fast 1 gigabit per second, catering to both individual users and small businesses. During my time using IdeaTek, I consistently experienced fast and stable connectivity, even during peak hours. Whether I was streaming high-definition video or participating in video conferences, the performance remained smooth and uninterrupted. One of IdeaTek's strengths is its commitment to customer service. Their support team is available 24/7 and responds quickly to any issues that may arise. The installation process was also smooth and efficient, with a technician arriving promptly and setting everything up without any delays. An added bonus is their bundled packages, combining internet with phone and TV services, providing extra value for those looking for a more all-in-one solution. IdeaTek's pricing is competitive, with tiered plans to fit various budgets and requirements. Considering the high quality of service, IdeaTek provides excellent value, particularly for users who prioritize a consistently fast and reliable internet connection. One important thing to note is that IdeaTek's service area is currently limited to specific regions. Be sure to check their website to see if it's available in your location. In conclusion, IdeaTek is a reliable internet provider, especially for those who need a consistently fast connection for work, entertainment, or anything in between. For more information on their plans and services, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.